This is why you should never work a night shift in a hospital, because when this doctor was going for a walk around 2:47 a.m., the hallway lights started flickering, but it seemed hopeless to report it since maintenance wouldn't come until morning. So he did the only reasonable thing and kept walking. But after turning the corner, every door in the hallway slammed shut at once, and right after that, he was walking by room 237 when he saw something through the window. A body on the bed was sitting up and moving side to side on its own, but fortunately the patient was supposed to be sedated and couldn't move. But after checking the chart, he realized something that made his blood run cold. The patient in that room had died 3 hours ago.